Instagram Story has always been a little bit limited in the type of camera filters you could put on. So when you take a picture inside of Instagram Story, if you just slide here with your finger, you get some camera filters that you could apply, and they all have different names, but it's a little bit limited, less than 10 at the time that I'm recording this video. But I want to show you how to get a whole bunch more camera filters in this video, 50 additional camera filters. And basically from inside of your Instagram page, go ahead and click your profile icon here to jump into Story. And this time, instead of taking a picture first and then applying filters to it, I want to add a new filter right here. If you slide over, there are some filters that other people have created. Some of these are made by Instagram. But I want to show you one that gives you a lot of camera filters. So go all the way to the very end to get to Browse Effects. And click Browse Effects here. And then you get to the effect gallery where there's a ton of different filters here. But we're going to use the little search icon on the top right and type 50 filters. And this one on the bottom, it says plus 50 camera filters. This is the one I like. I'm gonna grab that one, press it, and we just have to press that little download icon to save this to my effect. I'm gonna go ahead and press that, and now it's saved to my camera. So I'll press X. So I'll press X on top here, and I'll press X again to go back to Instagram Story. Now, let me come back all the way to the very beginning. And now if I come all the way to the normal home mode here, if I go one more, I should have effects that I preset myself. So the one I just downloaded should show up here. If it doesn't show up, just restart your Instagram Story and your Instagram app here. And now look on top, you see A4, A6, A9, all these different camera filters could be applied using this filter here. So if you like some of these, C1 is one of my favorites. You also have a little slider on the left side where you could change the slider here and reduce or increase the effect of these filters if you wanted to do that. So you could see each filter has a slider to change how much of the effect is being shown. And there's so many different filters before you take the picture. Let's say you end up choosing one that you like, you just press this icon right here to take that picture. And still inside of here, you still have those same filters you always had inside of Instagram Story, but I recommend just choosing one in one of the options and not trying to combine both so you get the best result possible. And that's how you add 50 plus camera effects onto your Instagram Stories filters. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.